What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be taking your old caliper like this and we're gonna liven it up with some color to look like that. Oh, you can't really see, but like that. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is gonna be really fast and simple. To do this, it's only take a couple of steps. So right now I have a set of calipers that's already off the car because I'm gonna be using them for my dual caliper setup for when I put in a hydro. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to paint the calipers on the car so you don't need to take them off, all right? So let's start off with the ones that I have off the car already. You're gonna go ahead and spray some brake parts cleaner on it just to clear off any dust and brake sludge. Look at how clean it looks already. Alright, so once you shoot it down with brake parts cleaner, it shouldn't really take long to dry. So you just want to take your masking tape and tape off anything that you do not want to get paint on. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover up this rubber over here. So once it's all taped off, we're gonna go ahead and spray it. I'm not gonna use primer. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a caliper paint, which is, so this is the paint right here. This is Duplicolor caliper paint. On the back, it doesn't say you need to use primer. I know I used high heat primer before, but if this doesn't say you need to use primer, so we're gonna try it out and see. This can, I believe, was about $5 or $6 or so from like your regular O'Reilly's AutoZone store. Just a typical auto parts store should have it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and spray this red. Again, we have one off the car, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to do the one that's on the car. All right, so let's go. Alright guys, so I don't know what this is, but this doesn't come off, and it doesn't look like rust. It's just like some staining. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and spray it anyway. So you're gonna go ahead and start off with light coats. Yeah, move out of the way. Alright, that's the first coat done. We're gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes and then we're gonna add on a second coat. Okay, so this is gonna be the second coat. Now, when it's on the car, this is pretty much the only section you're gonna see. So make sure that at least this section looks nice. Okay, so now that the paint is dry, we're gonna go ahead and throw some clear coat on it. Just because. Just to give it a little bit of protection. Alright. Just let it dry again. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and paint the one on the car. Now I learned this trick from Evan over at Throttle. He used a trash bag to go ahead and paint the caliper on the car. Before I would just use like some newspaper and stuff just to tape it up so I don't have to take it off. But this trick is actually really fast and really easy. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try right now. What I'm gonna do is just put it over the hub just like this. I'm gonna tear a small hole like that, put it over the caliper. See how I'm stretching it? I don't want to tear it too big. And I'm going to stretch it over the back side of the actual caliper itself. You want to keep it as tight as possible, so when you're stretching it, don't stretch it too much. Just like that. So now, your caliper is all taped off. Or masked off, I should say. Alright, so next we're going to take the brake parts cleaner and we're going to go ahead and hose this brake caliper down. Alright, now this stuff dries really fast, so we're gonna give it about a minute or two. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and mask off the rubbers, which is only these two parts here. The trash bag is covering the bleeder nipple on the back side, so I'm not too worried about that. So now we're gonna take our Duplicolor and we're gonna go ahead and spray it. Just watch the trash bag that it doesn't fly on top of the caliper. Again, we're gonna do light coats. Now, here we go, second coat. Last coat. All right, now we're gonna put a layer of clear on here. All right, guys, so we'll give it about a good 15 to 20 minutes to dry, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this trash bag off now. Careful not to stretch it too much because I want to use this same bag for the rest of them. Bam! That looks good. Just so you guys get a better idea. Can't really see it because these are like not Brembos, but I think it looks really good. Plus, it's so sick that it matches the color of the coilover over there. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. As you guys seen, it's super fast, super easy, and super cheap. Just to give your guys' car just a really simple, different look. You could use any color you want. They have a lot of colors there that you can choose from. Or if you buy some high heat primer, you can go ahead and make your custom color. You can put some flakes and stuff in there if you want to. Switch it up, make it your own, alright? So thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Stay tuned. We got stickers available soon, alright? Give me a big thumbs up if you guys like this video. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one, alright? Peace out.